Ito lang ako po. Ito lang. Ang ibang vlogger to. Bago tong director mo, Mami. Camera man. Pangit ha? Pangit eh, no?
Laging lawa, ano? Yeah, from Rafael, my new shoes. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it is raining at the moment, and we are here in Wallsend, and we are going to the Asian store. Yeah, Rafael. We use the car of Rafael. Car of Rafael is very good inside. It's big. There's a lot of space, more than the car of Inigo. Yeah, Inigo and Ericsson, they are already there. And you know, it has been raining since 3 days. 2 days ago I didn't do anything. I was just in the house, no vlog. And then yesterday also there's nothing. And today Ericsson want to eat outside, but then we decided to come here in Wallsend. Wallsend is a little a neighbor of Newcastle. And there is one Asian store here, Filipino actually. And I said this one is good for the hair. Perla. There's the soap of Rodi Perla is for to grow the hair. This vegetable. Yeah, you don't see this in the Woolworth or Coles or the any Australian groceries. Yeah, this is the common eggplant in the Philippines, the long one. We don't have much of the big one, which is very common here in Australia. This is delicious. They are the same, this and this. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to take one of these. Bagoong. It's a sauteed shrimp base. Oh, we take the spicy one, this one.
Ako ang mahirap eh. Ano ba?
We're going to take one of these sinigang mix. They have sardines, but you know the sardines in Woolworth is cheaper, so we take the sardines from there. But we're going to take one of this one. Oh, we are going to take one of these. This is gabi leaves or taro, $5. We're also going to take one of these pork crackers, $7.50. Yeah, the place is started to get busy. Okay, that's it. Yeah, really nice. We have many things. They also got their own things. Also, if you want to have something to be delivered in the Philippines, they do that. Yeah, a big box like that guy. Those are all LBC box. All of them are going to the Philippines. If you can see that red building, that is small one, that is Hillsong.
Newcastle.
It's a church. That is where Inigo go to pray. Sometimes he said, religious guy. Inigo is religious guy. I don't have plan of buying anything, but I'm going to take this one. Yeah, we are at the moment at the Big W. Big W is similar to Kmart, Target. This is $5. This is just $15. 9 function by computer. I don't need that, but I am tempted to take one. You know, I'm always been tempted to buy something like this. Yeah, but they're actually a little expensive. 129, 179. Yeah, even Apple Watch I'm also tempted, but I will always think that I have my watch. I mean, I have my phone. My phone can do everything more than the smart watch can do. There is McDonald's in there, KFC in there. Okay, we're going to eat here. We are now here in Antojitos, and yeah, this is a Mexican restaurant. We ate here before. And you know, you need to register from the entrance with the COVID record.
Imagine mo yun, Dunkin' Donut na sila.
If you see that, cerrado, in Tagalog we call it sarado. Sarado is close. Yeah, in Mexican, cerrado. Yeah, we have the same, almost the same sound of Spanish, Mexican, and Filipino word. That is because we've been colonized by the Spanish for around 200 years. Yeah, that's why some of our words are a little bit related to Spanish. Yo, good evening guys. Yeah, you can see my hair because I cut my hair this morning around lunch. Oh, and you're going to see that it's messy in here because Inigo, Rafael, and Erickson was here. They stay here for a little bit. You are watching news in the Philippines and news here in Australia. Chat a little bit. Yeah. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, this is from yesterday and from last night. It is now 9 o'clock, and yeah, today I wake up at around 4 o'clock. What is that sound? Anyway, so yeah, I wake up at around 4 o'clock and I was working on my computer. And now is the time. Oh, I already put outside some of my clothes that I was drying here. So, what is that sound? Okay, anyway, so now it's time for me to clean this. Oh, that sound is probably in one of the gadgets here. Maybe the refrigerator or these. Yeah, you can hear that sound. Yeah, because they are fixing the electricity at the back. So maybe that's the reason. Yeah, we don't have electricity at the moment, so everything is closed, not working. So maybe those sounds is like a warning. Maybe this refrigerator. Okay, I believe this is the one. Oh yeah, this is the one that is sounding. I think that sound is an indication of not having battery, because this is connected to the electricity. Okay, nothing to worry now. We are going to use dustpan because there is no electricity. And this one I drink it last night. I didn't finish. Look at that, it's still hot. This is a 4 Pints Brewing Company Pacific Ale 330 ml beer, 15 beer. Oh, this is 10 cents. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So if you have this, you have 60 cents.